We've all seen dipping powders with resin, and it's an amazing service, but have you seen it with gel? We're gonna show you this super simple, easy alternative right now on Nail School. All right, Tracy, dipping powders with gel.
Yes.
Tell us about it.
Resin can be a little tricky. I mean, it's pretty easy, but I love the gel technique. It's a super simple thing to do in salon, and if you have new people coming to your salon or someone that's coming straight out of school, this is something you can pick up just like that and start making money. Let's get to it. Let me show you the super simple way of doing it. So the first thing we're gonna do is push back the cuticle. Then we're going to prep with a medium grit arbor band, or you can use a medium grit file, or you can also use a medium grit hand file. Just gonna lightly prep. After we prepped, we're gonna take our swipe and cleanse the nail. Once that's done, we're gonna take our protein bond. We're gonna apply a nice layer to the whole nail, from cuticle to free edge, all the way through. We're gonna do all 10 fingers. Once we're done, we're gonna do one more coat. We're gonna get out our conversion base and our SlickPour powder. We're gonna apply one thin coat of base to the entire nail, from cuticle to free edge. Once we have that first layer on, we're gonna cure it out for 1 minute. So some of you may be thinking, why would you apply that thin layer of base first, cure, and then go into the service? Personally, I like to electrofile the product off, so that thin layer of base is going to add a protection to it. When I go to remove, I can file down just to that clear base, and I'm not on the natural nail at all. So if you want to soak off with acetone, you're going to start at this point that we're starting right now. So we're going to go back to our conversion base, apply a thin layer from cuticle to free edge. So we're going to grab our SlickPour powder and we're going to pick up and pour it over the nail. We want to make sure that we're covering the entire surface of the nail. We're going to gently tap it off and get this in the light for 1 minute. After we're done with that first coat, I'm going to take a makeup brush and we're just going to dust away any excess powder. And we're going to do our second layer of base and powder. Second nice thin coat. Going to grab our powder. And pour it on top. Once we have that, we're going to gently tap it off and do another cure for 1 minute. So once we're done with that second cure, we're going to take that brush again and dust off any excess. And now we're ready for our final top coat. At this point, if you need to file, you can do so. But usually the product goes on so smoothly, you can go straight into top coat. We're gonna take our conversion top coat and put a thin layer on top. Gonna put our thin layer of top coat from cuticle to free edge. Do our final cure for 1 minute. We're gonna get our ManiQ Cleanse out and cleanse the sticky layer from the top of the nail. Oil the cuticle, and we are done with our service. What I love about this service is it's something that you can literally practice a couple times and be off and making money. It's super fast to do, super easy to do, and I love the fact that a student can come out of school and be making money immediately.